This is a statement from the National Weather Service. Flash flood watch in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood watch for much of Maryland, the eastern West Virginia Panhandle, including the Washington and Baltimore metropolitan areas, until 8 p.m. this evening. A line of showers and thunderstorms will continue to drift across the area this afternoon and evening. Localized rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour can be expected from this activity. The metropolitan areas will be affected toward the late afternoon into early evening hours. Excessive rainfall could cause creeks and streams to rise quickly out of their banks and could flood low-lying and urban areas, particularly those that have had recent significant rainfall. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.